Hi guys, a long time no see. I have not posted on YouTube since it's been like 4 months, which is actually really sad, and I'm so excited to be back. We have a fun video today going through my whole sneaker collection and how I would style it for fall and like any really other seasons. I would say in the past year, become like super into sneakers. They weren't really something I was wearing that often beforehand, but something got into me and now I'm obsessed with them. So I'm gonna be showing you some of my favorites that I have and some of my favorite ways to style them and how I think they look cute. Also, you guys can probably tell my background's kind of different. I moved recently. We're gonna do an apartment tour soon, but we're just like waiting on our couch forever. So as soon as that comes in, I'll do an apartment tour on here, but I do post a bunch of apartment stuff on my TikTok and my Instagram, so make sure to go there if you don't already follow me on there. And let's get into showing the sneakers. I feel like I want to do this kind of like by brand, so I'm gonna start with New Balance. Pretty much all my sneakers that are like resale I get on StockX, and I feel like often I have to get them on resale because they don't have like small enough men's sizes on like regular sites. Like recently I went to Bloomingdale's and I saw a pair in the men's sections I really liked. They didn't have them in the small enough size, so trusty old StockX. They're pretty reliable. The stuff comes like relatively quick. I haven't had any issues with them, so I definitely recommend if you're wanting to buy resale sneakers. I do like StockX. I haven't tried anywhere else, I don't think. I know people like Go and like eBay, but I've just really stuck to StockX and like the actual site. Starting off with the New Balances, I'll start off with my newest pair. I recently got these. I also like don't know the names of anything, so I'll put them on the screen what they're actually called, and I'm gonna link everything too in the description, so if you want a link to any of the shoes, look there. These are my first pair that I'm gonna show you guys. I recently got these. This is the front and the side. I saw someone on TikTok wearing these and I like immediately ran and bought them. I think they're so cute. They're like a really good neutral sneaker. I'm a women's 7 or 7.5, and I always get men's 5.5 or like little boys. That's another tip. If they come in like the little boys section, they're usually cheaper if you want to buy them like that. But I always get 5.5. I feel like for fall, they're really cute with like what I'm wearing today. Actually, I just took pictures in this. I'm wearing like a workout set and a cute little sweater. I'll put pictures here too of everything, but I think they look really good with like an athleisure outfit. And then I've also worn them with like a cute little skirt and an oversized top as well. As I said, I just got these, so I haven't styled them as much as some of my other ones, but I feel like I'm definitely gonna get a ton of use out of them this fall and winter in a bunch of different ways, and 100% I recommend them. These are like also on the cheaper side. I would say I paid like $130 for them. My next pair of New Balances, everybody knows the trusty 550s. I feel like some people think these are like overdone or whatever, but 100% these are like my most worn sneaker. I really like the navy color. I'm glad I got navy. I feel like I match them with so many things. I've worn them, I'm not kidding, like actually to death. I need to get them clean because I feel like the suede is starting to get dirty. I don't really understand with people who love sneakers is that they don't wear them. Like I am buying these and spending money on them obviously to wear them, so that's why they have creases and they're used. These are also super comfortable to walk in. I've seen a bunch of new colors in these lately that I like really want to get, but I don't have room. It's really hard living in New York with tiny closets because there's no room for people who have shoe addictions like me. So some of the ways I like to style those, I'll put some pictures on the screen. I think they're super cute with skirts and dresses, especially in the spring. I feel like I got so much use out of these with like long or midi dresses. They looked so cute with all of them. These also look really good with more casual outfits as well, like just jean shorts and sweater, or even like a little athleisure outfit. They look super cute. I also just bought another pair of New Balances, the ones I was talking about earlier that I saw at Bloomingdale's. I ended up finding them on StockX too, and I ordered them in my size. They're like a tan and navy. I've been really liking navy lately. I feel like these are the classic like Pinterest girl New Balances that I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of, and they're not really like any of the other ones I have. I'm very excited to receive these in the mail. Okay, next I'm gonna move on to my Jordans slash Dunks. I have 3 pairs. I was in a phase where like I was really obsessed with them. I still am. I like them a lot, and I would love to have more colors, but they're always so expensive. So these are definitely priciest of everything I'm going to show you, and like the hardest to get. Starting off, I have this high top pair of Dunks in, I think these are like the Michigan State ones, but again, I'm going to put all the names. I really like the color of these. I love green. I would say these mostly, I only wear them in the fall, winter. I didn't really wear these at all over the summer or the spring. I just feel like because the color. And the other thing with the high top ones is, I don't know if you know unless you like try them on, but the top part is like really puffy, and I feel like it makes my ankle look like puffy unless I'm wearing them with pants. I feel like I don't get as much use of these in the warmer months, but I did actually just wear it with a skirt that I thought it actually looked good. So maybe it's just in my head and they're not as puffy as I think they are. I really like how the high top ones look with like sweatpants, like super casual outfit, and the green is just so cute, especially for fall. So if you're looking for any of these as like a fall shoe, I would definitely recommend these ones because they're like the perfect fall colors. Okay, I moved spots because it was getting like really sunny and blotchy over there. But getting back into the sneakers, I also have these Jordans, which I really like. These ones are definitely little boys. I think they don't even come like in the adult sizes in this colorway, so they definitely are youth. They do fit like a tiny bit smaller than the men's 5.5, so I would keep that in mind. Maybe do like a half size up if you are getting the kids. But I really like the colors of these. Again, these are like ones that I didn't really wear at all in the summer or the spring, but they are a good like fall winter staple. I really like the blue color and the black. They look really cute with like all black situation. I have a scarf that is this blue color that they actually looked really cute with for winter. These are definitely a pair that I have that I want to like work on wearing more because I feel like I wear them the least out of all of them, but definitely still recommend. They're super cute. And lastly, for the Dunks Jordans collection, I have these black and white ones. As you can tell, they're very dirty because I wear these all the time. These ones I actually got in women's sizes, and I by accident got them a size too big, which I'm like so mad at myself about. I would probably recommend these the most out of all 3 because they're just like a classic that you can wear really with anything. They also look really good with anytime you're wearing like a black and white outfit. They just like really tie it in perfectly. And yeah, I feel like these and my 550s are like my go-to comfy, like if I'm having a chill day, walking around sneaker, and they match with the most stuff. Next up, we've got Adidas. I know everyone's like obsessed with Sambas right now. I don't know if I'm gonna hop on the Samba trend. I like the ones that are like white with the black stripes, but I just like am not a full black sneaker type of girl. So I don't know if I'm gonna be into it, but they're cute on other people, and I feel like they're like the Pinterest shoe of this fall. But I do have these Adidas, which I love these. I really like the Velcro strap at the top. I feel like it makes them like a little bit different, and they have the little pop of green here too, which I really like. I get a lot of use out of these. This was like the first pair of sneakers I think I bought on StockX, so I was like really not sure about the sizing conversion between men's and women's, and I got these a size too big by accident, which is like annoying, but they're fine. I feel like the Velcro strap helps to like keep them tighter. I know these come in a ton of different colors too, which I think they're all pretty cute, but I really like this colorway that I have, and I like that they're kind of more creamy than white. Okay, and then lastly, the last sneaker genre we're gonna talk about is Converse. I'll leave the green ones for last because they're definitely my favorite, but I have these light blue ones. They're not platform, they're just like the regular bottom, I guess, which I don't love as much as the platforms. I feel like the platforms just look way better on me personally, but I do really like this color, and I feel like I still wear them, not as often, but like I do get used out of them, especially like in the spring. I feel like these were like a perfect spring sneaker. And then lastly, I have my green platform Converse, which I feel like these are for sure the most worn of the Converse. I had like black and white ones too, but we're not gonna talk about those because they're a little bit more basic. But these green I'm obsessed with. You would think like you wouldn't wear them with that much because of the color, but I actually wear these all the time, and I have a purse that matches these like actually perfectly. So I feel like every time I wear them, I have to wear them together. But I actually customized these on the Converse site, which I feel like is a really nice thing that you can do on Converse, because you can just pick like what colors you want and like what colors you want for all the details, and if you want platform, etc. And they're not really much more expensive, but they do take I feel like 3 weeks, a little bit longer to come than the regular ones. But definitely recommend making these on the Converse site, because they're so cute and I get so much use out of them. And that is my whole sneaker collection of like my more fun sneakers. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing a little bit about how I would style them and how I've styled them in the past. I'm so glad to be back on YouTube. Let me know in the comments if there's any like specific videos you want to see. I'm definitely gonna do a bunch of vlogs too. I know you guys like the vlogs. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And I'll see you guys in the next vid.